A really tense 3 days of heated cross-examination leads us into week 3 of the Karen Read retrial. Testimony picks back up tomorrow morning. At the end of last week, by the way, Jennifer McCabe, a key witness for the prosecution, was grilled by Read's attorney. NBC Boston's Erin Logan. She's in the newsroom right now live. And Erin, a lot to unpack here.
Darren, absolutely. There was certainly a lot to talk about. That infamous Google search, Haas long to die in the cold. Of course, that's a typo, meaning how. And also why Jennifer McCabe didn't run inside the home for help when she found John O'Keefe's body outside. Other inconsistencies were also pointed out by the defense. A number of heated back and forths between Jennifer McCabe and defense attorney Alan Jackson Friday afternoon. One topic, whether she called John O'Keefe multiple times hours before his body was found outside 43 Fairview, her sister and brother-in-law's home.
And it's not just one butt dial, correct?
There could be multiple, yes.
7 butt dials in the course of 19 minutes, less than 20 minutes, correct?
That evening, I wasn't paying attention to butt dials or calls.
McCabe read a series of messages between herself and family members about early stages of the investigation, including Brian Albert, her brother-in-law. The defense also asking why she didn't run inside the home for help after finding O'Keefe unresponsive on Albert's lawn.
I never thought about going in the house. I just thought, how can I help John?
When asked about the Google search about how, typed in as Haas long to die in the snow, McCabe got on the defensive, saying Read asked her to do so when they both found O'Keefe's body. The defense insists that search was all McCabe's doing as a plan to frame Read.
It was said. Karen said it. It's that simple.
So you're the only person saying that, though?
Yes, and I stand by that 110%.
Now, there were also questions about the timing of that Google search as well. A digital forensic expert testified it was nearly 4 hours after the defense claims. So definitely a very heated week. Tomorrow morning's testimony will begin with the state toxicologist. Last Friday, Judge Cannoni instructed the jury to prepare for a full week. Live in the newsroom, Erin Logan, NBC 10 Boston.
Erin, thank you. And remember to watch weeknights at 7 o'clock right here on NBC Boston for Canton Confidential, the Karen Read murder trial. We'll have a full recap of the latest developments from court. Also, you can check out legal analysis.